Well, the first thing that I wanted to do today was to introduce you to a brand new plant recommendation program for the state of Oklahoma. It's called Oklahoma Proven, and it's being brought to you by OSU, OBGA, and the Oklahoma Department of Agriculture. Now, this is a great program in where plants that have proven to do well in Oklahoma will be recommended every year so that when you go out to shop for plants, you can find ones that will thrive in your own garden. Now, each year, a tree, a shrub, a perennial, and an annual will be recommended, and some years a new turf grass will be recommended. So this is a good thing to watch for. Now this year there are 4 great plants, and they have been evaluated by stringent criteria, and some of these include they need to be appropriate for gardens throughout the state of Oklahoma. They also need to be readily available so that you won't go out and find that you can't find that plant anywhere. The plants also need to be easy to care for, tolerant of Oklahoma soil types and weather conditions, and they also need to be non-invasive plants. Well, we've got some great plants picked for this year, and the first one, the tree, is the Chinese pistache, and this is a wonderful tree, and you've seen us feature it here on Oklahoma Gardening before. It makes a great shade tree, and it grows anywhere from 25 to 35 feet tall, and it has that very nice umbrella-like shape when it matures. It has another bonus of some great fall color, and since it's deep-rooted, it's drought tolerant, and also you don't have trouble with surface roots messing up your sidewalks, foundations, or your driveways. So Chinese pistache is a wonderful tree, and we're happy to announce that it is one of the Oklahoma Proven plants for this year. The Oklahoma Proven shrub for this year is the oakleaf hydrangea, which we showed you before on Oklahoma Gardening. It is a wonderful shrub for a shady area with large white flowers and nice big green oak-shaped leaves. It also has beautiful fall color and a nice kind of a burnt orange color, and in the winter the bark is nice and exfoliating. So this shrub actually has some very good year-round interest. The perennial for this year is the Artemisia Pois Castle. Now this is a great perennial for that tough hot side. It's drought tolerant and it likes full sun. It's very pretty. It has nice mounding silvery foliage, and it always looks kind of soft. You want to go up and touch it when you see this Artemisia in the garden. So this is a wonderful perennial for Oklahoma. And finally, the annual of the year, one of my favorite grasses, is the purple fountain grass, and we love it out here at Oklahoma Gardening, and it is definitely a plant that has proven to do well in Oklahoma. Now it is an annual here, and that's why it's the Oklahoma Proven annual for this year. It has wonderful purple foliage, gets to be 3 to 4 feet tall, and it also has those great purple seed heads that last all summer long, and even after the first frost, this plant can add texture to the garden. Now these are the Oklahoma Proven plants for $19.99. So when you're out shopping at your nursery or garden center, look for the Oklahoma Proven poster. There are 2 posters that are out here. One has the plants that are recommended for this year, and we also have a poster that shows the Oklahoma Proven program. So watch for this while you're out shopping and try these plants, because they definitely have been proven to do well in Oklahoma. Now if you have any questions, or you're a retailer that would like a poster, call Lou Anella or Donna Dollins at 405-744-6460, and watch for those Oklahoma Proven plants this year.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.